In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do step by step if I were a beginner all over again and I had to make my first $5,000 in 2026 as quickly as possible. I'm Fred and I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day at 22. The model we're talking about today is simple. You start a YouTube channel. Either you put your face on it, you build a personal brand, you become the person people follow and trust, or you've got another option. You go faceless. You use AI to generate the content. You pick a niche, you post content in that niche, and nobody ever needs to know who you are. Both work. Both have made people serious money in 2026. The choice doesn't matter as much as you think right now. What matters is that you pick one and you commit to it. Think of YouTube like a billboard on the busiest highway in the world. Except unlike a real billboard, this one is completely free to put up. And the crazy part is that once that billboard is up, it works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when you're asleep, even when you're on vacation, even when you're doing nothing. That video you posted 2 months ago, it's still getting views, still pulling people into your world, still making you more money. That's the power of this platform, and most people are completely sleeping on it. You are sitting on one of the greatest free traffic tools ever created, and instead of using it and making money with it, most people are just scrolling through it. The whole idea here is that YouTube becomes your traffic machine. It's the engine. And once you understand that, everything else starts to click. Now, here's where I need to be honest with you, because nobody else is going to say this to your face. The reason you haven't made your first dollar online isn't because you're not cut out for it. It's not because you picked the wrong niche or because your niche is too saturated. It's not because you started too late. The reason is that right now you're not doing what it really takes. You're still procrastinating. You're still waiting to feel ready, waiting to have the perfect setup, a fancy studio, the perfect camera, the perfect logo. And I'm going to tell you something that's going to sting a little. That moment where everything is perfect is never coming. Readiness is a myth. Nobody felt ready when they started. I know a guy who spent 4 months researching YouTube, bought 3 different courses, redesigned his channel banner 6 times, never posted a single video, and then he quit because he felt like the space was too competitive. 4 months, posted 0 videos, and the guy genuinely wondered why nothing was working. That is not a strategy problem. That's a fear problem dressed up in productivity clothes. You can plan forever and stay broke forever at the same time. The people making money right now are not smarter than you. They're not more talented than you. They just started before they felt ready and they kept going when it got uncomfortable. That's the secret. There's no magic to it. You just have to be willing to be bad at something in public for a little while until you get good. Most people aren't willing to do that, and that's exactly why they stay at 0. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Okay, so now you've got your channel, you've picked your lane, and you're ready to go. The next question everybody asks is, what do I even post? And I get it, it feels overwhelming, but I want you to kill that overcomplicated version of content creation that's living in your head right now. You don't need a film crew. You don't need a fancy studio. You don't need to be an expert with 10 years of experience. What you need is actually pretty simple. What you need is a simple, repeatable format that you can execute every single day without it destroying you. Here's how you think about it. Pick one problem that your target viewer has. Make a video that solves that problem, or at least speaks directly to it. That's it. Do that every day. Think about it like a gym. The first week you go, you're sore. It's hard. Your form is terrible. You feel like you're an idiot, like you have no idea what you're doing, but you show up anyway because you want the end result bad enough. And then, week 2 is a little bit easier. Week 4, you're starting to feel small changes. And by month 3, you look pretty jacked. By month 6, you're unrecognizable. Content creation works exactly the same way. The reps build the muscle. And the people who are pulling in views and money from their YouTube channels right now, they're not doing it because they posted one viral video. They're doing it because they showed up consistently long enough for the algorithm to take them seriously. Now, posting daily doesn't mean you have to film something new from scratch every single day. You batch script, record, and edit your content. You sit down 1 or 2 days a week, you film 5 to 7 videos, you edit them or even outsource the editing to someone else, and you schedule them inside the platform. That's your full week of content covered. And as your channel grows, you reinvest some of that money back into help, like an editor, a thumbnail designer, a script writer, etc. So the machine keeps running without you burning out. Start simple, stay consistent, scale as the money comes in. You need to make making content the path of least resistance. That's exactly how smart entrepreneurs do it without burning out. Now, how do we actually turn viewers into money? Getting views and likes just for the sake of it is useless. So how do we make money from our channel? The thing you really need to understand is that views don't pay your bills. Views are vanity unless you have a system to convert those views into actual cash. And that system is called a funnel. Think of it like this. Your YouTube video is the front door. People walk through the front door because the title caught their eye or the thumbnail made them curious. But the front door isn't where the money is. The money is deeper inside the house. Your job is to invite people further in. And the way you do that is through your funnel. Now, there's 3 main funnel options and you need to pick the one that fits your goals best. The first option is a book a call funnel. You offer people a free call, people book it through a simple page, you get on a Zoom call with them, you find out what they need, you ask them some questions, and if it's the right fit, you sell them a high-ticket offer, a coaching program, a premium course. If you sell services, it can be a done-for-you service or a full consulting package. This is the fastest way to your first $5,000 because you only need a handful of clients. If you close one person at $1,000 each, you're there. That's it. The second option is a sales page. You create a lower ticket product, a course, a guide, a template pack. You put it on a clean sales page. You link it in your description. And every time someone watches your videos and wants to go deeper, they click on the link. And then some of those people buy and money hits your account. It's simpler, it's more passive, but you need more volume because the price point is lower. The third option is having a school community. Basically, you build a paid community around your niche. People pay a monthly fee to be inside of it, get access to you, get resources like access to courses, and connect with others on the same journey. Now, this one has a massive advantage that all the other methods don't. Having a school community builds monthly recurring revenue, which is the most powerful kind of income because it keeps coming in month after month without you having to resell anyone. Pick one of these 3. At first, not all 3, just one. Get it working before you add anything else. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do everything at once and ending up with nothing working at all. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, making $5,000 online is actually more realistic than you think, and it can happen faster than you think. So let me break it down for you, because when people hear $5,000, their brain either thinks that's way too easy, even though they've never even tried, so they don't know what it's really like, or way too hard, and both of these reactions will mess you up. So let's look at the numbers honestly. If you're doing a book a call funnel and you're selling a coaching offer, let's say at $2,000, you need 2.5 clients to hit 5,000. 2.5 clients. That means if your YouTube channel is pulling in even just a few hundred views per video, and a small percentage of those people are clicking your link, booking a call, and you're converting even 1 of 3 in those people, you can hit $5,000 in your first couple months. The downside is it's not recurring, but as you can see, it's simply mathematics. Now, if you're doing a lower ticket product, for example, let's say $97, you need about 52 sales to hit $5,000. That sounds like more, but if you think about it, if you've got a few videos getting consistent views and your sales page is converting even just at 2 or 3%, 52 sales over 60 to 90 days is completely realistic. If you have a school community, let's say you charge $47 a month and you get 107 members, you're making $5,000 a month recurring every single month, not just one time. And normally, if you do this right, the number of members you have should accumulate. That's the version that changes your life long term. I'm not telling you these numbers to hype you up and make you think you're about to get rich this weekend, because that'd be lying, that's not true. I'm telling you this, I'm showing you the actual math, because I want the goal to feel real to you. I want you to stop seeing $5,000 as this giant abstract number and start seeing it as a handful of conversations, a few dozen sales, or a small committed community. It's not out of reach, it's actually really close. The only question is whether you're willing to do the work to get there. Look, the difference between the person who makes their first $5,000 online and the person who's still watching videos about making money online 2 years from now is not information. You've got enough information. You might have too much information, in fact. So much information, you're super overwhelmed, you don't know what to do. That's what mentors are for. The difference between the version of you who succeeds and doesn't is identity. The person who makes it has decided. They're not hoping, they're not wishing, they don't kind of want it. They've decided they are someone who figure things out. No matter what, they take action. Every obstacle that comes up, they find a way around it. Every time they post a video and it flops, they post another one. Every time a call doesn't close, they get better at closing. Every time the algorithm feels like it's working against them, they adjust and keep going. Think about it like this. Imagine two people planting seeds in a field. The first person plants the seeds, waters them for 2 weeks, sees nothing growing, assumes it's not working, and they just decide to give up. That's it. They walk away. The second person, on the other hand, plants the seeds, waters them every single day, doesn't see anything, any results for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and then one day, on week 6, everything starts coming up all at once. The harvest isn't late. The harvest is always on time. Most people just quit before it arrives. You've been watching, consuming, taking notes, and thinking about this long enough. Too long, in fact. The only thing left for you to do is to start. Pick your channel niche and topic, set up your funnel, post your first video, and do it again tomorrow. That's the roadmap. And if there's one thing I can tell you, it's that the person who plays this game long enough always wins. Always. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.